Hello, this is Shirley from BeUDMKE Motor. So today let me show you the Y connection for our DC Servo Hub Motor. So first, let's have a look about all of the spare parts here. So this one is a power supplier for this controller, and the rated voltage need to be same as the rated voltage for the motor, so it's 24. And this one is a DC Servo Hub Motor. We have the encoder inside of the motor, and this one is a controller for this Servo Hub Motor, okay? And this is a PC software. Then let's have a look about the Y connection for this motor and the controller. This one is an encoder connector. So it's very easy. Just connect the connector to J2 port. Okay, this 3 is a phase wire. The yellow color is U, green color is V, blue color is W. And the HV is a positive for the power supplier, and the GND is a negative for the power supplier. And here we have the J6 is RS232, and we have the RS232 to USB. So we need to use this one and connector with the computer. And we have the software on the computer, so you can audit and you can check the data, the rated current, and the speed, and also the location for the motor. And also you can make the speed adjustment on the software. Okay, this is a specification for this motor. So for all of the orders, we will send the size drawing for customers' final confirmation. And the rated voltage is DC 24, and the rated power is 117. Rated torque for this DC hub motor is 7 Nm. From this size drawing, you can see the diameter for this wheel is 6.5 inch. Now the motor is running at 20 RPM per minute. Let's increase the speed to 160 RPM per minute. So this is a rated speed. So from the range, you can adjust it based on different speed adjustment way.